No more hard boiling for me. I steam. Hey, Chef Dez coming at you from my kitchen again, corporate chef of BC Egg. Yeah, we're gonna steam our eggs instead of hard boiling. So do we call it hard steaming? I'm not sure. So what we're looking for is the same consistency of a hard boiled egg, but we're going to steam them instead. Why? Why would we do that? Well, it turns out by steaming them, you get a creamier texture of the egg itself, plus they're easier to peel. If you go to bcegg.com, click on the Eggs 101, and you will see I have a video there on how to perfectly hard boil an egg. And I also have a video there on how to easily peel a hard boiled egg. So some great tips there. But today I'm going to show you steaming. In that video for hard boiling an egg, once you get the water up to a boil, it's about a 10-minute cooking time. For steaming, it takes the water less time to come to a boil because you're only putting about 1 inch of water in the pot, and then the steaming time is about 15 minutes. So I'm going to show you this whole process of how to do this, and then I'm going to show you how easy it is to peel and show you the finished product. So I have a medium-sized pot here, about 1 inch of water in there. Then I'm just going to take one of these collapsible steamers and put it inside here. And crank this up and bring it to a full boil. Now you'll notice when I put the steamer basket in there, the water level comes just over the bottom of the steamer. That's exactly what you want. So the eggs on the bottom part will just be touching the water, but most of them will be cooked just by the steam. Okay, we're just coming to a boil now, so carefully just take your eggs. I'll do 4 today, and place them in the steamer basket, like so. Put on a lid and set a timer for 15 minutes. All right, after the 15 minutes, remove your lid and carefully, I like to use a pair of tongs because they're hot obviously, and plunge the eggs into an ice bath right away. This will stop the cooking process and make sure that they don't get overcooked. You know, when you get that ugly green ring around the yolk, that's an indication that your eggs are overcooked. Let those set now for about 5 minutes until they're fully cool. All right, once they're fully cool, let's just take them out of the ice bath here. I'm just going to dry them off a little bit. Let me show you how easy these are to peel now. So I like to peel them by just tapping them on the bottom and then tapping it all over. So you got that air pocket at the bottom, right? And then I just tap it on the counter all over, and I roll it just gently, just to get lots of cracks all over, and then just start peeling. And you will find by steaming them, I mean, it's just so easy. Look at how easy this is. Big chunks of peel come off. Look at that. The shell. Simple, done. All right, now I'm going to cut into this and just show you how beautiful the egg is cooked. Look at that, no green ring. It's perfect. And although I can't show you the creaminess of it, I can tell you, it is so good. I know you're gonna love steaming your eggs, and I really want you to try it. It's all I do now instead of hard boiling. Whether you call it hard steaming or not, that's up to you. But always remember, every single large BC egg has 14 key nutrients, all 9 essential amino acids, over 6 grams of the highest quality protein you can get. And 1 large egg is only 80 calories. Make sure you're checking out bcegg.com for a whole bunch of other great tips, recipes, and tricks. And this is Chef Dez signing out. Where are you getting your protein from?